Hello everyone, welcome to Vidya's Cake Fantasy. Today's recipe is kids' favorite latte choco pie. So let's get started. For this we need butter. This is salted butter. 1/4 cup of butter, which is approximately 50 grams of butter. Mix it nicely. Into this we are going to add Milkmaid. Again 1/4 cup of Milkmaid. The measurement for both butter and Milkmaid should be equal. So 1/4 cup of butter and 1/4 cup of Milkmaid. And into this I'm going to add powder sugar and mix it nicely. I will give detailed measurement list in the description box. So mix it nicely until everything is smoothed well. While watching my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Now into this again I'm going to add pinch of salt. Now 1 cup of maida, that is all purpose flour, and half teaspoon of baking soda, half teaspoon vanilla essence, and mix everything nicely. Now we are going to add milk, which is 1/4 cup of milk. Going to add the milk gradually. Don't add milk all of a sudden. Add the milk gradually so that your batter will be mixed properly. You will get proper batter. Now the consistency should be in like this only. Now take this batter in a piping bag and just pipe out the batter in a baking tray. So just give pressure to the piping bag and release it. We needed a round size batter. Just pipe out the batter. So for 1 cup of maida you will get 14 to 15 pieces of your cake. Now after piping out the batter, just dip your finger in the water and just press the top layer so that it will smoothen the batter. Now bake this batter in a preheated oven for 5 to 10 minutes or in a pressure cooker for 5 to 10 minutes. Making marshmallow, we need, in a bowl, I am adding 1 tablespoon of agar-agar or gelatin powder. To that I am going to add 1/4 cup of water and mix it nicely. Place this aside. Meanwhile we are going to make sugar syrup. Now again in a bowl I am going to add 1 cup of sugar. To this we are going to add half cup of water and few drops of lemon, which is 4 to 5 drops of lemon. Boil this sugar, bring it into syrup consistency. Now we need to check the syrup consistency properly. So take another bowl, add some water and add some drops of syrup to the water. The syrup should be a ball shape when removed from the water, so that is the consistency of the syrup. If the syrup turns out to ball shape, immediately switch off the gas. Now pour this sugar syrup into the agar-agar powder which we already soaked in water and beat it nicely. The syrup should be too hot. Immediately you should turn off the gas and immediately you should pour the syrup. If the syrup is not very hot while pouring into the agar-agar powder, then you won't get proper marshmallows. So make sure your syrup is very hot while beating the agar-agar powder. While beating the syrup, the color changes slowly within 5 to 10 minutes. You will get a marshmallow color which is white in color. Just like a whipping cream, you will get the consistency. So now you can off the beater. Your marshmallows are ready. Now my cakes are ready. I have baked in cooker as well as in OTG. So I have got 14 pieces of cake. The cake is very soft and easy to remove. Now remove the cake from the butter paper. And now we are going to fill the cake with marshmallow. So take the marshmallows in a piping bag, and just now we are going to pipe out the marshmallows into the cake. So like this we are going to place the marshmallow into the cake and place another cake on top of the cake. Marshmallow now. I will show you another piece. Just a drop of marshmallow and close the cake with another cake. Now set this marshmallow cake in room temperature for 15 minutes. Now for chocolate, I have used dark compound chocolate over here, and melt the chocolate. Add 1 teaspoon of oil and mix it properly. So now we are going to dip the marshmallow cakes into the chocolate. So our chocolate choco pie will be ready. Dip the cake into the chocolate. Remove the excess chocolate with the help of a fork and place it in the butter paper. Just place the choco pie into the butter paper carefully. Refrigerate this choco pie for another 10 minutes so that it will set nicely. And our latte choco pie is ready now. After 10 minutes, our choco pie is ready now. Time for plating. I'm just placing the choco pies. I will show the inner side as well, how lovely it has turned out. Thanks for watching.